Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and let's quickly cover VeChain because VeChain is pumping about 15% right now. And from our previous video, if you've been following me, you know this that VeChain was making a lot of bearish patterns, bullish patterns, mixed feelings for the chart. But now, if you see this pump, now we had this red line drawn, and how beautifully this red line is actually coming into all the analysis we did, because we hit you can see every time we are hitting this red line, price goes down over here. We hit this red line again, price went down, this trend line. Okay, and once we broke it, price started moving, the confidence comes back in, and price moving, it starts moving towards the upside. Now if you analyze this, and I'm going to come back to the present day, but if you analyze this really quickly right over here, okay, you can see how many times, right over here actually, how many times we got rejected and we couldn't close a weekly candle above it. Okay, you can see as soon as we closed this weekly candle above it, we went up, came back, retest, and then went to the upside. Okay, so this should tell you how important this trend line is. Now if you come and look at this present week over here, we are above it right now, and this is what you want to see. You want to see the weekly close above this area. Okay, and if you close it above this area, that's going to be pretty amazing, because right now what's going on with VeChain is, if you bring your Fibonacci and you just measure this move, you can see we are hitting right at the 0.618 level for this price action that happened here. Okay, now this is a golden ratio for this level, so you need to get above this level. Okay, because if selling pressure comes in from here, because this used to be support here, resistance here, support both over here. Okay, resistance, support, support, support. Okay, so if a lot of price action went in this area, okay, this area is a very crucial area for VeChain, and you want to see VeChain close your weekly above this. You're above the red line, but if you get forced, if sellers come in and selling pressure comes in, then you will go below the red line again, and then maybe some consolidation will happen here, and then slowly try to break towards the upside and the 0.618 level. Okay, now a lot of good things have happened, basically this and the previous week, because we did achieve to break this pattern over here. If you just take this off, you can see it better. Look at this. Okay, so this week you were able to get over this resistance line. Now again, like I told you, you need to close this candle above this resistance as well, and then go a little bit above the 0.618 level in the Fibonacci for this measurement, and then things can start looking beautiful. Okay, not only that, okay, let's say you do close the weekly candle above here. Okay, where is VeChain going next? Okay, so what you could do is, I mean, there are a lot of measurements that come in handy, like this measurement over here, from its all-time low to all-time high. Now if you come and zoom in over here, now VeChain, when it decides to go up and close a candle, it will come and get some resistance at the 1.414 level, which sits at 0.09131 level. Okay, the reason you're going to get some resistance here, look, you had a lot of buyers and sellers, they went in a war. Sellers won, so the price came down. Here you had the support. Okay, here as soon as you look over here, as soon as you close this candle above this level, the price went up. Okay, so here support failed, came down. So again, this area is a very crucial area. So we are in these areas where VeChain finally has some momentum where it can come and break it. The reason that is because Bitcoin is moving up as well, and if Bitcoin closes its weekly close above 46,000, then I believe we can go and battle these areas out, because this is 1.414 level, and now we have this level over here, 0.618, where the resistance is coming from. What you could simply do is just bring this tool over here. Where is that tool? Yeah, this tool, and you need to just get above these levels over here. right over here. Okay, now you can just take this off, and simply that once you get above, close a weekly candle above the 0.09123 level, then you are going on your way up to the zero point 0.5 level. Okay, the zero point 0.5 level sits at 0.10385. Okay, because once you achieve this weekly close above the 0.09123, you're going up to the 0.10385. Okay, I know this is getting really technical, but I want to explain it. But yeah, now where will it go? If you take your this trend line and you just draw it here. Okay, I'm just giving you a whole picture what VeChain is planning on doing in my viewpoint. Then you see that it is going to go towards the 0.5 level, and the next resistance is going to be this trend line. Now you can just take this off. This trend line, take this off, and you can see what VeChain is doing. In my previous video, I told you that this resistance is going to come in as a huge resistance, because you can see clearly you are making, where is that tool? You are making lower high formation, okay? And if you come here, you touch over here, which is the, I believe the 0.5 level or the 0.382 level, either or. Yeah, 0.5. You might go above and maybe hit the level and then come down. That can happen. Or you, if you come up, Bitcoin goes bullish, then you might come and touch this high over here. And if you get a weekly close above somewhere over here, then that is going to be extremely beautiful for VeChain. Okay, I'll just put it this way. You need a weekly close here, but before that, we have to battle these areas. You need the close above 0.618. You need to close above this trend line, and then we can start and close a candle above 0.9123. If you get all that done, you are golden, and I think VeChain has gotten its momentum back, and we can at least come to these levels over here at 11 to 12 cents. Okay, but hopefully guys, this video brought you some information, and if you like these kind of videos, kindly hit the like button. Your likes are, really important, because I know that I need to keep making these videos. So subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.